What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how I made like almost 800 bucks promoting Paigham Bot as an affiliate. Okay, now the way that I did it was through a few methods. Okay, now like in general, so for those of you who don't know, if you have Paigham Bot, you can promote the bot itself plus essentially everything that they sell on this site as an affiliate. Okay, now I had the bright idea a couple months ago. I was like, well, I'm already using the bot, I might as well write an article about it, put a couple affiliate links in there and see maybe if I get any money out of it. Okay, so now I have a background as a writer. I kind of just do it for fun. I don't yeah, it'd be nice to get paid like by an actual company, but I personally just enjoy it as like just something to do for fun, like stress release almost. So I like to write about whatever I want to write about, like whatever's going on in my life. And at the time I had been using Paigham Bot to, like it says right here, get clients for social media management, which is actually how I learned so much about using the bot itself. So we'll just take a look at this article. It's pretty long, right? Like, I like to just kind of like have fun when I write. But anyway, it's very long. You can see, I think it's like 5,000 words or something like that. And I really just like go into a deep dive how exactly I use the bot to get clients and make money. And that's it. And then I published this on my blog. I'll put a link in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. Put a link in I put some affiliate links in there and just started, sharing it around, right? Now, what's the advantage of doing it this way? Well, in general, with any kind of content marketing that has evergreen potential, you're going to have the advantage of being able to create a piece of content once and promote it essentially forever, right? So like, okay, sure, it took me maybe a few days to write this and edit it and put all the links and like really make it beautiful. But for a few days work, I've made 700 bucks in, was that 3 months, right? So that's pretty good. That's a couple $100 a month. Plus this is going to stay up forever. So as long as Paigham Bot like stays in business and people are still like, reading it, like, then there's potential for me to continue making money from it, which is pretty cool when you think about it. Okay, so now if you're not a writer, if you don't like, English is maybe not your first language, this is not like something that you want to try, that's totally fine, I get it. There's other ways of promoting Paigham Bot as an affiliate, and really just promoting any product as an affiliate, but in this case we're obviously taking Paigham Bot as an example. So how else do I promote Paigham Bot? Well, if we come over to my sexy YouTube channel, we can take a look that I don't even know how many like videos I have about Paigham Bot. Like, where's the playlists? So Paigham Bot, we've got 20 videos in here about Paigham Bot. Okay, so let's just take a look. Can I actually, no, I don't want to do that. How do I? So anyway, the point I guess that I'm trying to make here is that you can create YouTube videos, right? So you don't have to show your face on camera like I do. I personally think that it's better to show your face on camera because people, when they see your face, they tend to trust the person a little bit more and the information that they're providing, as opposed to if it's just like some information graphic video. Although, honestly, if I could make 6 information videos per day, like with graphics and like fancy, whatever, I would totally do that instead. But that's like a lot of editing and it's just a pain in the butt. But I'm sure you guys have seen like, unless this is your somehow first time seeing one of my videos, I'm sure you guys have seen like in the description to the videos, what I do is I load them up with links to affiliate offers that I promote, right? So for example, let's say that I'm promoting Paigham Bot. Let's just take like, I don't know, how about this one? ClickFunnels affiliate marketing made easy with Paigham Bot. What I'll do, okay, here's the description. Want to learn, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is actually, I'm promoting a ClickFunnels. The plus is actually not supposed to be there. Let's see if this actually works. Yeah, see, that's actually, so okay, so now I just realized 40 unique clicks. Damn it. So this is the wrong affiliate link, right? This is my link shortener. If there's a plus there, it's not going to work. We're going to get the stats, unfortunately. So there you go. Now I can actually change this. But anyway, the point is that like if you look at all these other links that I have in here, those are all affiliate links. So that's another way to do it, right? Is you promote, damn, that's so annoying. You can promote them with YouTube videos, okay? And the third way is, you know, if you want to get like really meta, okay, you can promote Paigham Bot through Paigham Bot itself, right? Like, whoops. Let's say we open good old Paigham Bot right here on our VPS. We can do contact form campaigns where we say, basically, like, well, here, I'll write a quick one out. I'm not actually going to run this right now. Although I should be like, hey there, my name is John from BBB Marketing. We specialize in helping businesses generate leads through contact form marketing. And then, okay, so like if you're going to do contact form submitting, essentially what you can do is you can say like, we're giving away this guide that will help you, and then you hope that they click affiliate links, or you can just send them to the website, right? The tool we use is something called Paigham Bot, which is the industry's leading contact form submitter. You can, if you want to, how about this? If you want to play around with Paigham Bot, you can grab a free trial, I don't know, by clicking, by heading over to their website, and then affiliate link. If you have any questions or are looking for a custom, fully managed outreach campaign, just shoot me an email at blah 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 at blah blah blah.com. Okay. Now, what this is going to do, obviously, you're going to send this out to 1 million people. Like, are you telling me like those 1 million people are not going to click on it? You're not going to get some customers out of it? Like, for sure, 100%, you are going to. In fact, ever since I started making these YouTube videos where I focus a lot on Paigham Bot, I would say every maybe 2 or 3 days I get somebody who contacts me and says something like, hey man, I saw your videos on Paigham Bot, like they're totally awesome, like they help me out so much, like, you know, and then there's some sort of offer about like how we can maybe work together, or people actually, it's kind of strange, people want to like give back to me for like helping them clearing something up. Like people send me free stuff. It's kind of cool, actually. I kind of like it. And you know, I get commissions from Paigham Bot. I think I've made, did I show this already? Like $750 in a couple months, which is like, okay, not $1 million, but still, it's enough for me to like continue making these videos, which I'm gonna make anyway. So I might as well. Anyway, long story short, if you want to promote Paigham Bot as an affiliate, create a piece of content that talks about Paigham Bot, or just do like direct outreach to companies that might possibly benefit from using Paigham Bot. And for bonus points, you can also give them a piece of content as well. Obviously, you don't want to send them to my article that I wrote, because then there's the chance that they will click on my affiliate link before yours. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in a comment. You can always reach out to me directly. But I check these videos comment section like every day. So if you have any questions, let me know. Peace.